What's up, guys? Cass here from GiveWave Studios, and on this one I'm going to show you guys how to customize your DIY LED lightning prop from GiveWaveStudios.com and the Etsy shop, depending on where you got it. Now, this is a fairly simple process. The lights come pre-installed, and what you're going to want to do is basically engrave a lightning pattern onto this. Now you can do multiple things to do this. You can freehand it, you can print out the drawing of a lightning, place it underneath your piece and kind of like use that as a guide to add your lightning to your part. And multiple ways to do this. You can do this with one of these. This is a little mini grinder that you can get on Amazon. Links will be in the description on where to get some of these. Rechargeable via USB-C, 3 different speeds. So I'm gonna go like medium speed here, just kind of hover over my image and just kind of go ahead and draw that in. Now you can go super deep, you can go very light. It's really up to you how much depth you give your lightning. So if I take this away real quick, and if I turn on my light, you'll also notice that the place where I've put my etched actually catches the light and lights up. So that's basically what you want to do. You just want to etch your pattern onto your design, and once you turn your light on, basically the work will be done for you. Mind you, you don't need a fancy tool to do this. You can do this with a nail, you can do this with an X-Acto blade, right? And you can see my little etch here. I can just kind of go in, start etching this, and you can start seeing this green just kind of transfer itself over. So the more I etch, the deeper my etch, the more light it actually catches. Right? And so now I have this extra bit here that will also catch the light. So although this makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier, you can definitely get the same thing done with any type of like home tools, any sharp blade, sharp edge that you have at home. A really cool situation for you to do this in is basically in a semi-dark room, so you can see your parts light up as you actually etch your lightning onto something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through that process and catch you guys for the next step. And so that is basically it. That's how you customize and DIY your kit. It's a very simple process, very fun process, especially if you do it in the dark, as you saw in the time lapse, and also vary your sizes. If you do a lot of deep etches, in some places try to do some really thin ones, just with kind of like the edge of the X-Acto blade. Let's see if I can add like one more here, just really fine detail stuff with like the edge of the X-Acto blade that adds a little bit more depth to the lightning that you have on the piece. And your prop will come with one micro USB charger. I'm sure you have others laying around at home. You can charge both of these at the same time with separate cables, but it does come with the one cable. Your on-off switch is right here on the edge. You just want to slide your nail in there and just kind of reach in and turn it on, turn it off. So you do want to turn it on first. That way you have access to your lights. Once your lights are on, then you can switch colors by pressing the buttons, and there are 9 different modes. You can mix and match and do whatever you'd like. Your battery should last around 6 hours. One thing to be mindful of is to be very careful of these bits here. This is the most tender, most sensitive, most fragile part of your prop, so do avoid dropping it on the ground or putting any type of pressure right here where this thin piece of acrylic basically connects these 2 parts. Okay, so always shield that with your hand. Make sure this doesn't get caught in anything when you're using it, because any major stress here will definitely snap your part. in pieces. So I'd rather you guys know that up front than you find out the hard way. All right, so it is a prop, and the better you take care of it, the longer it'll last. All right, this has been Cass from GiveWave Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope this one was informative. And if you've purchased the prop on the Etsy or GiveWaveStudios.com, I appreciate the support. And yeah, I'll probably catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.